Rules for filling electronic configuration. To describe the electronic configuration for more than one electron in atom, we need to know three principles. They are Pauli's exclusion principle, Above principle, and Hund's rule. By using these three principles, we can write down the electronic configuration of any atom or element in a modern periodic table. First, we discuss Pauli's exclusion principle. The Pauli's exclusion principle states that no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of all the four quantum numbers. This means at least one of the quantum numbers should be different for any two electrons in an atom. In order to understand this statement, we can explain one example. For example, we can take helium atom. The atomic number of helium is 2. Electronic configuration can be written as 1s2. In terms of box model, we can write down as 1s2. This is the first electron. The upward arrow mark indicates that it is the first electron. The downward arrow mark represents the second electron. When we observe this tabular column, the tabular column contains quantum numbers. They are principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L, magnetic quantum number m suffix L, and the spin quantum number m suffix S. We can explain these four quantum numbers for first electron, which will be presented in a helium atom. For first electron, that will be present in first orbit. So, its n value is equals to 1. The first electron which will be presented in s orbital. So, its L value is equals to 0. The magnetic quantum number is depends on L value. So, L value is 0. Automatically, the magnetic quantum number value is also equals to 0. Here, the first electron is represented by the upward arrow mark. According to spin quantum number, if the electron will rotate in clockwise direction, then we can represent it by upward arrow mark and its S value is equals to plus half. That means the first electron in helium rotates in clockwise direction. Now we can explain all the four quantum numbers for second electron in helium atom. The second electron may also present in first orbit. So its n value is equals to 1. The second electron is present in s orbital. So its L value is equals to 0. If L value is equals to 0, automatically the magnetic quantum number value is also equals to 0. The second electron we can here represented by the downward arrow mark. According to spin quantum number, if the electron will be rotated in anti-clockwise direction, then its value can be written as minus half. When we observe closely the four quantum numbers for first and second electron, the principal quantum number, azimuthal and magnetic quantum numbers are same for first and second electrons, but the spin quantum number is differ for first and second electrons. The first electron have the spin quantum number is plus half, whereas the second electron is minus half. So, according to Pauli's exclusion principle, there is no same or similarities of four quantum numbers for any two electrons in atom. We can take one more example here, carbon. The carbon atomic number is 6. The electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2p0. We can apply the Pauli's exclusion principle for second and sixth electron. When we observe this tabular column, the second electron which will be presented in first orbit. So the second electron have the n value is equals to 1, whereas the sixth electron is present in second orbit. So the n value is equals to 2. Here the second electron is present in s orbital. So for s orbital the L value is equals to 0. So we can write down here as 0. The sixth electron is present in p orbital. For p orbital the L value is equals to 1. If the L value is 0, automatically the magnetic quantum number value is also equals to 0. Here the sixth electron is present in py orbital. According to magnetic quantum number, the orientation of py orbital value is equals to 0. For px -1, for py 0, for pz orbital the ml value is equals to +1. So here write down the magnetic quantum number value for sixth electron as 0. The second electron is represented here in downward arrow mark. So its spin quantum number value is equals to -12. Here the sixth electron we can represent it here in upward arrow mark. So its spin value is equals to +12. When we observe the four quantum numbers here, there is similarities only in magnetic quantum number value and there is a difference in principal, azimuthal and spin quantum number values. So according to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electrons, that means if you have to take any two electrons, they are not having the same quantum numbers. This is the information about Pauli's exclusion principle. Thank you for watching this video.